Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. So in this video, I'm going to detailedly explain you about the new website of NSE. So from August 31st, right? So we are switching to the new site and the old site is getting decommissioned. Okay. So we're going to see how we can able to work on both old and new. For example, some of the features are quite new to the new site, and some of the features which we are using in old are very difficult to identify at this moment. So how we can easily manipulate all these things? So I'm planning to set up something like easily giving you on all the things as per the tab. So I'm planning to work on tab of old and new to show you detailedly. And again, we do have some more called the web links. So for some of the important things, they have given some web links from the old to new as a migration. For example, if you could not able to find anything on this tabs, right? The old thing which you used, you could not able to find anything on this new tab. There is an URL given to you. With that, you can straightly go to that URL and you can able to go ahead and find it. Okay. So where you can get that web links is through this old site. So when you click here, right? So it will be addressing you to the old site. When you go to the old site, this is the old site. Okay. So there is an option called old website will not be. There is an option called play button, right? You just click on it. So you'll be getting this PDF. So you need to try to save a copy of it. So then only you can able to have this with you. So I'm planning to share this in the description as well. So I'm going to share that as well. So now, which is going to be there in the new site is given as an URL here. So you could not able to make a navigation here in this field. You can able to use it here. Some of the fields you can able to only navigate through here only. There are no tab options from here. So likewise, it is given. It is a 6-page PDF. In this 2 pages or something like instructions. After that, you will have so many annexes. In this, all you will be having all the things like equity, SME indices, stock in call options, sovereign gold bond, block deals, equity derivatives, currency derivative, all the things is given here, and live analysis, everything is given here. If you click any tab here, for example, if you click anything here, it will be opening. I'm clicking the options chain as of now, equity derivative. So it will locate me to the option chain of the Nifty. Fine. So the same option can be done here as well. So you click the market data, just go to option chain. That is how it goes. So we're going to see the tabs here as the old and new tab as well. But still have it handy like this. So any confusion is there, it will just make your time less, and you'll just navigate to that page in a single click. That is the idea of this particular PDF. So why the NSE has generated this. So this is all the things about daily reports. You can get all the daily reports here. Other information is like public issues, new listings, FIA data, all the things you're going to get here. And these are security available for printing all the corporates and membership and investors regulation. So this all what you have. So kindly try to have this PDF saved. I'll share the same in the description as well. Now, moving on with the tabs. So live market is something like we are getting live market. We are getting all these things, right? So pre-open equity stock, SLB, all the things. And option chain, live analysis tools. Let's go ahead and check the new site where we will be having this option. So we are having these options in market data. So majority of the things what we are having in live market here, we will be having the same in the market data here. Hope this is the tab where you have to look to it on a daily basis again and again. Next, products. Products is something like equities, indices, mutual index, IPO, all the things. And derivatives, here you will be having the information of the normal things like how much delivery happened, how much as a volume basis, how much as open interest, all the things you will be having the information here, and depth and trackers. Let's check where this option is. So you will be getting some options here as well, daily market reports. So I'm going to get here something reports. And some other things you have to look onto the URL only. So that is how the site is designed as of now. This is the tab which we are not going to check anytime in the new site I'm saying, and listing is something like, so here as well we are not going to see anything. So this will be giving an information about mutual funds, all other things. That is what given in the listing. And trade completely, it is also a different service. Regulations is something like completely about the regulations, learn and resource. So right now the majority touch will be happening only in market data. The rest all things, right? So technical charts is something, and option chain is the old thing which we have, market snapshot. So this is something like you will be getting the new, that is like live analysis of top gainers and losers here. So that is this is the home site. So you'll be having all the things here, all the advances, declines, everything you can able to see here. All the list you will be seeing in here, all the lists. So previously we'll be having a three banner like this. You have to click this and you have to go ahead and check. So right now we're going to have it in a single interface, so that all the indexes will be coming here. Okay, if you give view all indexes, they will be coming in a complete list. Fine. That is how it is designed. So all the things, others things are all given in this PDF. If you want to have anything particularly like bow copy, everything, so you'll be having a particular, so go for daily reports. So you'll be having all the things of reports here. So bow copy, all of the things here, bow copy, daily volatility. So all of the things, these are the reports you'll be having, 52-week low report or everything. So just check this URL once so that try to browse it and check whether different products which you are using in your old site as a navigations are available here as a URL. Kindly try to check it once and make it handy, available ready for you. Since post-August, you were not able to access the old site. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you all with yet another video shortly. So this is an heads up video on the NSE site. Thanks, I'll catch you all with yet another video shortly. Thanks for watching this. Bye-bye. Take care.